Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the forecast function inside of Microsoft Excel. So the goal of this function is to predict a future value by using existing values that we have. So for the purpose of this video I have these values right here. So I have known x's as well as known y's. And the goal here is to predict a y for a known x. Once again, those numbers are random, and we are going to try to predict a y for this x. So how exactly this function works? So it's pretty simple. This function contains three arguments. So the first one is the x that we try to predict. So in our case, it's going to be 6. The second element will be the known y's, so all the y's that we have information for, and the known x's, so all the x's for which we have informations for as well. Now let's try to write our function. So it's pretty simple. We'll start with an equal sign, and then we will simply write down forecast. And just like that, we can open up our parentheses, and we can select the cell that contains our x, so this cell right here. Once we have it, we'll add a comma, and we can select all the cells with the known y's, so those cells right here. And finally, all the cells with the known x's, just right here. And then we can close our parentheses, and just like that, the predicted value for a x that is 6 will be 53.4557. So if we try with, for example, 9, it's going to be 67. If we try with 12, as you can see here, it will predict the value 80.83. If we try with 20, so as you can see here, it will predict a y for each x that we enter. Once again, please take note that this function is not perfect. So if you try to predict things like, for example, I don't know, temperature, weather, or I don't know, sports outcome, or stocks, or whatever, this function is purely statistical. So it won't be perfect, but it's a pretty good tool to try to predict stuff. So if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.